Why did you join band?
To meet more people and to perform and show people I have talent. What I like about band is I like music. I like lots of music. I like all types. I like jazz, hip hop. I like lots of music. But I like band. I like the way it is. Like the students, like the band director. Yeah, that's pretty much.
Good job. Yeah, I forgot the song. My biggest impact is, of course, the discipline because, I wasn't really as disciplined as I am now as far as, band goes. So it helped me, stay focused on what is really important when it comes to school and band and everything like that. What I like about Mr. Moore is that he loves every single one of us musicians. He try to make us better. He try to make us grow, make us try to master our craft and whatever instrument we do. Just trying to make us great overall. I joined band because, well, really, I didn't even like band at first. Yeah, I know I was supposed to. The reason why I came here was to play on a basketball team, but then ended up getting put on the band. And I started to like it a little bit more, and it's part of drum, and some of the drum line asked me to join them. So I went on ahead and joined them, and ever since I joined the drum line in the Hall High band, I loved it ever since, so,
What do you like about Mr. Moore?
He's funny. He's always pushing. He's not gonna give up on you.
First off, when you talk to Mr. Moore, you don't feel like you're talking to a teacher. You feel like you're talking to, I guess you can say, a role model or a person that you can really hit it off with. You don't really feel like you're pressured to talk to him. It's like going on a walk to a park, or it's like going out with your favorite uncle. It's not forced. It's not awkward. You can have any conversation with him, and then it can just be a blast.
He's a good person. He's kind of like a dad. He gives you compliments when you do things. When you do things right, yeah, it's kind of like a dad too.
Yeah, this is
Is that a Philly cheesesteak? Is that a Philly cheesesteak?
just a pulled pork on the bun. Kind of bun.
What's up, my people? In Memphis, grubbing on Bill Street.
Hello, world.
There's a third person talking.
Boom. Oh, man.